What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling. And today we starting my Copycat series with me, AB. Now you guys saw the title, you just looked at the thumbnail. That's right, we getting ready to make these McMuffins. Hey, listen, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to make them. Hey, the key thing is, listen, we can make these at home and they only gonna cost like right around $1. It depends on, how much your ingredients are at your local grocery store. Real easy. I'm just gonna show you that. Listen, we're gonna go ahead and make the bacon McMuffin, the bacon egg McMuffin. We're gonna do the sausage egg McMuffin, and then we're gonna do a Bizzles McMuffin. Hey, I'm just gonna show you guys just how easy it is. And listen, I'm gonna give them I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, and number 3 is gonna be my version of it. I'm gonna show you how I get down and how I make it. So with that being said, we're not gonna over talk it. I'm just getting ready to show you guys these ingredients, and we finna make it happen. Hey, check this out. If you see that smile on my face, it's because I love making this kind of stuff. I'm glad we're at this part of the year. We done got past the holidays, and now it's time to have a little fun on the channel. So from here on out, hey, listen, we finna make it happen. Let's get it. All right, look, this right here, this is it, y'all. You know what, just super easy. Now you know how McDonald's got it, right? Just super easy. So look, I'll just start by showing this right here. Got these English, English muffins right here, made by Thomas. Of course, we got eggs. Now listen, the quantity, that's decided by you guys. It's up to you how many you gonna make. You know what I mean? You gonna put 2 eggs on one or just 1 on each one. So it's 1 per, or if you like it to have a double stack, you can put 2 per. This right here, this is my little ring. This little ring right here, check this out. This is what keeps the shape of the egg. So you can see it go like this. Real simple. And I got a trick for you. Hold on, let me show you this. This is a mason jar, right? This is a mason jar top. If you take that center part out, your egg will be a little smaller. You can see the difference. But just in case you don't have one of these rings right here, you can go ahead and use this. I would just suggest that you spray this with some non-stick spray. Put this in your pan and then drop your egg right in here. It'll be a little smaller, but this will get you through it. Now, right here, I got some Canadian bacon. That's what they make theirs out of, so I wanted to do the exact same thing. It already comes, pre-cut and it's round already. Then you got to have your cheese, you know what I mean? You gotta have that. And then listen, we're gonna do the sausage. Look, this stuff you can buy at your local grocery store is already made. You know what I mean? You got your pre-made, sausage patty right here. I'm just gonna heat it up in this skillet just a little bit, to get it nice and hot. Then we're gonna do the assembly. And the English muffins, we're gonna just toast those. I'm gonna show you guys how to, how you toast them so we can get that look. And then right here, look. Again, all of this stuff was bought at my local grocery store. So you're talking about assembling these should cost you maybe about $1, a little bit less than $1 a piece to make them. You can make them as big as you want them. And listen, they're your own creation. So I'm gonna go ahead, we finna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and just fry these up a little bit. These have already been, fried, but listen, we're gonna crisp them up and put a little bit more of that golden brown color on them. Okay, what I did was I put a little bit of oil in here. And how do I know that it's right? Because look, I put it on a medium high heat, right? So then I reduced the heat down to about 360 degrees. But you can look at the oil and you can see it starting to shimmer. As it starts to shimmer, that's when you know it's ready. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hash browns. I'm gonna just lay them in here like this, away from myself, so nothing to splash on it. And then we just gonna cook it. We just wanna brown it up just a little bit, and then we're gonna flip it over, then we're gonna take them out. Now remember, listen, it's all about the ease, right? So listen, your hash browns and your sausages are already, pre-cooked. So all you're doing right now is just heating them up, and you putting that crunchy exterior and getting that golden brown in color. Now, as those are cooking, you can see, look, I got a little baker's rack, right? I put this on the pan, and we're gonna put the hash browns on top of this. We're not gonna put them on no paper towel, you know what I mean? Because look, they're gonna kind of steam, and that'll make the crust, soggy. So I'm gonna put this right here. Now you guys can see just how good it looks. So look, I just take it, I'm doing a little draining, that's all. Anything that wants to drain off, and there you go. Now I want you guys to keep in mind, you can make these in the toaster oven also, the same way I made the English muffins, or you can do them in the air fryer. Okay, now we're getting ready to go ahead and get these, start toasting these before we start doing the rest. This is probably gonna take the longest time. So get yourself a fork. I do it like this. I just make some holes. You can see they already got some in here, but this just helps it. You just wanna go completely around it, right? Try to be straight, because this is gonna be the way it's gonna tear for you. So after you come around, watch this. Take your thumb, and just like work it. And there you have it. So let me do the rest of these, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with them from there on. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna be using my Breville, my Breville oven, right? I'm using the toaster, feature. Look, I didn't put no butter on top of this because we're gonna treat it just like it is the toaster, right? We just wanna brown it up. So I'm gonna put this inside. I already have it selected, for toast, and then I'm gonna hit start. That'll take care of itself. Now we get ready to move on. When those come out, then we'll add some butter to it. Okay, first thing I do is, I like to spray my pan. We're getting ready to get these eggs together, just a little bit. And it's a good practice just to go ahead and hit the inside of this also. Now you can see, look, it's real simple. You put your egg molds in your pan and then go ahead and just crack your eggs in there. You know what? I don't even know how to even like really say it. It's just like super simple. Once you do that, once you crack them in there, and you saw me just grab that fork, right? You got to break those egg yolks. And then here I'm just adding the Canadian bacon, to the pan also. And don't forget, that has been pre-cooked also. So really what we're doing is just warming it up. And you can see it's not that hot because I'm able to just flip it with my hands. You know what I mean? So I went here and used my fingers and flipped it. And now with these egg molds right here, look, that little flap, it doesn't even really get that hot, so you can like handle this. It's perfect for that morning, the mornings, if you're getting ready to go to work or if you're busy and you're in a hurry, you want to make this real quick, this is just a perfect setup. So as you saw, it's the bottom of the English muffin, then I go with the cheese, it's egg, and then you put the bacon on there, and then you put the top. And then listen, I put it in this plate right now because when you have McDonald's or whatever, when you're there, they're gonna wrap it up, right? So the heat from it being fresh is what melts that cheese, on the side. So I just use my little butane torch. This is more just just more for the presentation or whatever, but at least you can like heat it up enough where at least the edges would like, bend down. All right, so now you just want to go ahead and repeat the process. And again, you want to take that fork, break those eggs, and this time instead of the Canadian bacon, we're going with the sausage. And not to be redundant about keep saying that, you know what, if you buy these kind of sausages, it's already been cooked, all you're doing is really like heating it up. So you got the bottom of your egg, your bottom of your English muffin, you got cheese, and then you go ahead and put your egg, and then you come with your sausage. Real simple. And again, this is a copycat, so listen, we just making it true to the game. And then number 3, that's gonna be my own thing. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, listen, I kind of like held back a little bit, because listen, I do like a double stack. I do double egg and double sausage. You know what I mean? Just one slice of cheese, but this right here, at least I can get this, At first I was thinking like, hey, I don't wanna like overdo it, and I don't want everybody to just be like, hey, he just being greedy. But check it out. You see I come with that sausage, then the egg. And one thing about them English muffins, listen, when you use that jelly, jam, honey, whatever you want to put in there, it gets deep into that, to your bread. Along with that butter, you can't beat it. Now, look, once you got that worked in, you put that on top, and that's number 3 right now. I call that the Mac A Bizzle. Hey, so now you guys got it, 1, 2, and 3. And don't forget, I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section below which one do you guys like. And there you go again, from left to right. Number 1 being Canadian bacon, the middle is sausage, and then my creation, the Mac A Bizzle, all the way on the right. Hey, I hope you guys enjoy. So tell me what you guys think about this one here. Another just like super easy. And listen, it's the copycat, so that's what makes it fun. You know what? Not until about, I'm gonna say about like 6 or 7 years ago, a friend of mine had made something and I was like, just like blown back. I do all the cooking, but then I was looking at him with my mouth open thinking like, hey bro, I have never ever thought about that. So listen, easy to make, they easy on the pocketbook. You can make them the night before, just put them together in the morning and get them wrapped up and put them in, put your cheese on it and put them in the microwave, look, and then you'll have that. Or you know what, these are so simple to make, you can make these before you go to work. They could just be just that fresh. Now, I'm gonna show it to you one more time. Here it is. Look, we're gonna start off right now. Look, this the bacon. Don't forget, that's Canadian bacon. So this the bacon McMuffin. We'll just say this the bacon, egg, and cheese McMuffin. This right here is the sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin. And this one right here, this is my own creation right here. You know what, gotta have that hash brown, and you gotta put that grape jelly, or the grape jelly of your choice. So I'm gonna leave it like this, 1, 2, 3. You guys let me know down in the comment section below which one would you guys like to make. And with that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this. You know what, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and tell everybody out there there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. Hey, and you know how I'm about to get out of here, folks. Peace.